Pickup. Tractor. Tow truck. Fire engine. Here's a good vocabulary builder. There are a lot of different ways to get around without using a car. You can travel by boat, by truck, by plane, or even by motorcycle. In this video, we're going to look at words for different kinds of boats and ships, words for different kinds of trucks, and words for parts of an airplane and parts of a motorcycle. These can be hard to remember. The words for boats came into English from many other languages. Gondola, for example, is from the Venetian language in Italy. But with the pictures to help, we're sure you'll learn them quickly. Are you ready? All aboard! Boats and ships. Battleship. Destroyer. Ferry. Schooner. Sailboat. Ship. Barge. Boat. Catamaran. Canoe. Yacht. Gondola. Hovercraft. Trawler. Submarine. Types of trucks. Pickup. Tractor. Tow truck. Fire engine. Van. Cement mixer. Tanker. Tractor trailer. Forklift. Car transporter. Parts of an aircraft. Nose. Flight deck. Undercarriage. Fuselage. Cabin. Jet engine. Wing. Hold. Fin. Tail. Tailplane. Parts of a motorcycle. Throttle. Brake. Headlight. Turn signal. Mudguard. Suspension. Axle. Tire. Fuel tank. Engine. Seat. Tail light. Muffler. Oil tank. Brake pedal. Air filter.